IBM Planning Analytics for Excel version 2.0.104, also known as 2.1.11, was released on May 29th, 2025. This release includes 3 updates for universal reports. Easily add a space row or column in a universal report, giving you more control over layouts and presentation. With this feature, you can create cleaner, more stylized reports by visually separating sections. Or you can use Excel formulas in spacer areas to enable extended calculations or custom logic. To add a new user-defined row or column, make sure you apply the formula to the calculation by clicking on Apply Formula to Calculation. Cell indicators have been added to the universal reports that make it easy to spot cell holds and edited cells that have not been committed. The style can be edited in the stylescafe.xlsx file that is located here. Please note, from the style sheets, Universal Reports only uses the font's color set from the styles Edit IBM Cognos and Hold Values IBM Cognos. Cell Hold is supported in Universal Reports, giving you more control over data entry and planning adjustments. With this feature, you can hold specific cell values in place during data spreading. This means held cells remain fixed while surrounding values adjust proportionally, improving flexibility in planning scenarios, especially when you need to protect key figures while adjusting others. Navigating between the Cube Viewer and your Excel workbook will be more seamless. When the Cube Viewer is in focus and you want to use Excel, the Cube Viewer will automatically minimize if you click any cell in the workbook behind it. It's a simple but effective improvement that streamlines navigation and helps you stay focused while working across views. And that's the last feature for this version.